New tonight, Metro Council members grilling city leaders in Nashville Electric Service over Metro's handling of last month's ice storm.
The special joint committee meeting started about 5:30, still going on. It's the first time that council members have had an opportunity to formally ask questions. And Fox 17 News' Madeline Nolan now live at the Metro Courthouse outside council chambers with what we are learning.
Yes, Scott, Megan, this meeting has been going on for hours, and there are still some council members who have yet to get their questions answered. But a lot of the scrutiny has been aimed at Nashville Electric Service and whether they were prepared for the storm.
For hours Tuesday, Metro Council members pressed city departments on what they call communication failures, preparation, and leadership, following an ice storm that left hundreds of thousands without power. Several council members pushed back on what they called too much self-praise.
I heard a lot of patting on the back during this meeting, and the reality is that our leadership failed.
A major focus, Nashville Electric Service, with questions centered on when the utility realized the storm would hit Nashville and whether more could have been done earlier.
On Thursday, we met with the largest utilities of the local power companies of Tennessee Valley, and at that point, it looked like the ice was going to be in Memphis. On Saturday, when that ice pattern shifted, we began making those calls as the forecast showed ice was headed directly to Nashville.
Council members pointed to forecasts that warned as early as Tuesday that ice could cause widespread damage and power outages.
And it said 11:49 a.m. on the 21st said that it's trending a certain direction.
Jacob Coupin, who has been one of the most vocal critics, pressed NES on why tree trimming and crew mobilization didn't scale up sooner.
We have an opportunity as council members to ask questions of NES leadership to understand what went wrong, what we missed, and how we can do better for next time.
Under Metro law, council does have the authority to remove NES board members, but Coupin said tonight was about investigation, not discipline.
Everything's on the table. I've spoken to the NES CEO, I've spoken to the board of directors chair. So I think right now we're kind of in the investigation phase.
Now, NES says they hope to have that independent action review done in the next 90 days. However, they did tell council members that they do not have a vendor selected to complete that independent review, so this is something we will continue to follow. Reporting live here at Metro Council, I'm Madeline Nolan, Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.